Bridging the voids, the role of gap fillers, in Article 1 of the Uniform Commercial Code. The Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, is a comprehensive legal framework that seeks to standardize and harmonize commercial transactions across the United States. Given the vast array of commercial dealings, it's inevitable that not every potential scenario or detail can be explicitly addressed in a contract. This is where the concept of gap fillers, in the UCC, particularly in Article 1, comes into play. This article delves into the nature, purpose, and implications of these gap fillers. Understanding gap fillers. Definition and role. Gap fillers refer to default provisions in the UCC that come into effect when specific terms are left open or ambiguous in a commercial contract. Purpose. They serve to fill in the blanks, ensuring that commercial contracts remain enforceable and functional even when certain terms are not explicitly agreed upon. Key gap fillers in the UCC's Article 1. Price terms. In the absence of an agreed-upon price in a contract, the UCC provides that a reasonable price at the time of delivery will be implied. Place of delivery. If a contract does not specify the place of delivery, the UCC typically designates the seller's place of business or residence as the default location. Time provisions. When a contract does not specify a time for performance, the UCC implies a reasonable time provision. Implications for commercial transactions. Ensuring enforceability. Gap fillers ensure that contracts remain enforceable even when certain terms are left open, preventing potential disputes or contract invalidation due to incompleteness. Guiding negotiations. By providing default terms, gap fillers can also serve as a reference point during contract negotiations. Broader legal ramifications. Flexibility in contract formation. Gap fillers offer parties flexibility in contract formation, allowing them to focus on key terms while relying on the UCC to provide default provisions for less crucial or overlooked terms. Dispute resolution. In cases of ambiguities or omissions in contracts, gap fillers provide courts and arbitrators with a framework to interpret and enforce contractual obligations. Comparative analysis. UCC's gap fillers versus traditional contract law. Enhanced clarity. While traditional contract law might deem a contract with open terms as unenforceable due to vagueness, the UCC, with its gap fillers, provides clarity and enforceability. Adaptability to commercial realities. Recognizing that commercial transactions often require speed and flexibility, the UCC's gap fillers are designed to adapt to the dynamic nature of commercial dealings. The evolution and modern interpretation of gap fillers. Adapting to modern commercial practices. As commercial practices evolve, so do the gap fillers, to address new scenarios and challenges that arise in contemporary commerce. Interplay with other UCC provisions. While Article 1 provides general gap fillers, other articles of the UCC also contain specific gap fillers, tailored to particular types of transactions, reinforcing the comprehensive nature of the UCC. Gap fillers in Article 1 of the Uniform Commercial Code play a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth functioning and enforceability of commercial contracts. By providing default provisions for open or ambiguous terms, they bridge potential voids in contracts, offering clarity, flexibility, and adaptability. In a world of dynamic commercial transactions, where speed and efficiency are often paramount, the gap fillers in the UCC stand as testament to the code's foresight and adaptability, ensuring that commercial dealings remain robust and enforceable, irrespective of omissions or oversights.